Charging light not showing on Ninja Blast? What to do? Plugged in your Ninja Blast but don't see the charging light. Here's what to check before assuming it's broken. 1. Try a different USB-C cable. If the light doesn't flash green when plugged in, your cable may be faulty or too weak. Swap in a known good USB-C charging cable. We've linked a fast, reliable one below that works great with this blender. 2. Check the wall adapter. Some adapters don't deliver enough power. Try plugging the cable into a different USB wall charger or a powered laptop port. 3. Inspect the charging port. Look inside the USB-C port on the blender. If there's dust or lint, it can block the connection. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean it out, no sharp tools. 4. Let the battery warm up. If the blender is too cold, the battery may not start charging right away. Let it sit at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes, then try again. If the light still doesn't come on, it may be a hardware issue. Reach out to Ninja Support using the link below. And if your cable is the problem, we've linked a fast charger that works well with portable blenders like this. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.